Students, here's another problem to solve involving similar right triangles. So let's say you have the biggest right triangle is triangle ABC, and we've dropped an altitude, and we're given that the length of AD is 5, and the length of AB is 8, and the length of AC is Z, and we want to solve for Z. Well, what information do we have? Well, we see 5 and 8, and those are both part of the smallest right triangle. So let's put 5 over 8. What is 5? Well, 5, for the smallest triangle, you can see that 5 is the short leg. And 8 is opposite the right angle, so 8 is the hypotenuse. So the relationship that we're setting up, or the ratio, is 5 over 8 short leg to hypotenuse. So the short leg to the hypotenuse of the smallest triangle is, well, now let's look at the biggest triangle. And the short leg of the biggest triangle is AB, or 8. And the hypotenuse of the biggest triangle is AC, which is Z. So our proportion is 5/8 is equal to 8 over Z. And then cross multiplying, we have that 5Z is equal to 8 times 8, or 64. Z is equal to 64 divided by 5. And let's just go ahead and put that into, let's just make that a mixed number. So 5 goes into 60 12 times, and it looks like you're left with 4/5. So Z is something between 12 and 13, closer to 13. And just go back and check, does that make sense? Would Z be about 13? And yeah, that seems to make sense. That's all for now.